Guys, I got the new Ghostbuster toys. The Ghostbusters guy is real. What I got, guys, look at this. What I get this one. This one is the loot. It's good. What?
Open it.
Open it.
Unbox. You sit down.
Ikat mo yung video mo na. Ano na? Mo.
Tama na eh.
You show it to the camera.
Look at that, it's so cool.
Do you like it?
I like it. Look at kid. Coco strap. How to connect this? Mama,
You show it to the camera.
Guys, look, it's fruit and pet jumping.
Who is that? It's Ray Stantz.
It's taking this in three. Oh, there. Do. Bye, guys. Like and subscribe.